I don't usually do text videos like this, but this is a must in every household. This electric fly swatter, in this case mosquito swatter. Let me show you how you can kill mosquitoes instantly. Simple product has an on-off switch, and you can activate the fly swatter or the mosquito swatter like this, and now this becomes an electric fence. And anything that falls on this fence or on this net kills the mosquitoes. I can see one of the bugs right there. Can you see that? And there's another one. But anyway, let's see this thing in action. Turn it on like this, and now it's activated. And check this out. Did you see that? Ah, there you go. Yes! Go. Yes! Did you see that, man? Goodbye, mosquitoes. Or whatever that was. Bug. You have to have one of these things, man, in the house. If you don't, get one of them already. Now, this is a brand called Krypton. Right? My daughter agrees. This is a brand called Krypton, but it doesn't have to be a specific brand, and it's USB chargeable. You can see that. And it also comes with, I mean, if you activate the light, there's also a flashlight. How cool is that? Enjoy mosquito-free nights. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you really like this video, kill your mosquitoes before they spread disease. And subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.